And this time I'm going to apply my foundation, and this is the foundation that I'm using, the Rich Gold Double Wear Foundation Radiance. This is the Rich Gold Double Wear Radiance Foundation. So, nabili ko to nung may nagpunta sa school namin, nag-promote ito at buy one take one. So, kumuha ka ng dalawa, and this is the one. So, it contains gold extracts to keep your skin healthy. It gives you bright radiant skin anywhere and anytime. So, ewan ko ba? So, every time may bibilhin ako, so gusto ko laging nakabox. Maybe it's to keep that, uh, it's to keep that thing parang old, parang, ewan ko ba kung bakit. So, gusto ko palaging bago yung gamit ko. So, kaya maybe hindi ko tinatapon yung box. So, kukuha lang tayo ng konting product. And then, so by the way, I'll be using this Manch makeup tools pala. So, in blending this product. So, what's inside is this one. So, and also the brush and the sponge. So, by the way, I'll start blending. Oh, yan siya. So, ang ganda niyong gamitin. So, tingnan nyo. Yung nalagyan na at yung hindi pa. Oh, so, ngayon ay lalagyan naman natin yung kabilang side. Take note, may ano ko dyan ha, may birthmark ko dyan. Nadami yung pata ng lagay. Sige, i-blend naman natin dito sa kabila yung excess. Kung nadamihan ay ilagay mo sa kabila para maging pantay. Okay, and since I'm done with this one, I'll be using this sponge. Sponge. Oh, ayan na guys. So, tapos na natin i-blend yung foundation using this Manch makeup tools. Di ba? Napaka-smooth ng dating.